بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
How has learning grammar impacted my spiritual life? So we're learning about Nahu right now, and Nahu is the chemistry of words, how one word affects another word. That really made me reflect on how my actions, thoughts, words, behaviors could be impacting those around me. That's on one level. Another level, alhamdulillah, is there's certain rules in grammar that once you know them, it makes it actually easier to learn and memorize the Quran. On another level, subhanallah, there's certain fragments we've learned about. One of them, the idafa fragment, which is a fragment denoting possession, ownership. And that really made me stop and reflect about, well, what is it that I'm letting control me in this life? And how important it is to associate ourselves, both in beliefs, words, and actions, with things that are pleasing to Allah, because it does become a part of our identity. It does become a part of who we are, and there are consequences to that. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala continue to increase our knowledge on this journey.